for, or this video is going to show you how to check the antifreeze freezing level. So whether or not it's good for the winter or not. The first thing you're going to need is a hydrometer. And I've got a hydrometer here. This is a real simple one that you can get at just about any parts store. It's got floating balls in it. And depending on your freezing level, it will tell you, okay, if you've got none floating, then you're good down to you're unsafe as far as freezing goes, and you're good to 212 degrees. So in other words, you have water. And then it goes up as far as if you've got 5 balls floating, then you're good to minus 40 and 227 degrees Fahrenheit. So to use this, what you're going to do is you're going to take the tube and you're going to immerse it in the coolant here, and suck a little bit up into the thing. So now you've got coolant that is up into the hydrometer. So I usually just hold this up like that so the coolant doesn't run out. And then I look to see how many balls are actually floating. And if you notice, I've got 2 that are floating and 1 that's kind of down around 5 degrees or 20 degrees. So that one's not floating, it's actually sinking. The other 2 are floating. So if I look at my chart right here, if you have 2 balls floating, that means you're good to plus 5 degrees and 219 degrees Fahrenheit as far as the boiling goes. So this coolant here needs to be diluted a little bit. It's probably straight antifreeze, so not a good mixture for a car that would be out on the street. When you're finished, you just push the coolant back down into the tank and wipe your hydrometer off, and then give it back to the tool room.